Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add animations in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's built-in animation options which let you add entrance effects to text, images, and other modules without using any extra plugins. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening the page where you want to add animations. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, choose the section, row, or module you want to animate. This can be text, images, buttons, or even entire sections of your page. Click on the settings for that module and go to the Design tab. Scroll down until you see the animation options. Here you can choose from several entrance effects like fade, slide, bounce, zoom, flip, and roll. Select one and you will see a live preview right in the builder. Below the effect selection you can fine-tune the animation. You can set the direction of the movement, adjust the duration, add a delay, and control how the animation repeats. For example, you might have an image slide in from the left over 1 second or text that fades in with a half-second delay. Divi also lets you stack different animations across your page so you can create a smooth flow as visitors scroll down. A good practice is to use subtle effects that draw attention without distracting from your content. Once you are happy with how your animations look, click the green checkmark to save the module. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see your text or images animate into view just as you set them. This is a simple way to make your website feel modern and interactive using Divi's built-in animation tools. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.